Hello, I got a snowblower here, and the recoil starter was messed up on it. Hard to see in here, I know, I'm sorry. What I had to do is I had to put a new rope in it, and the easiest way to do that is to pull the string out all the way. Pull the string out all the way, and then feed your new string in and tie the knot in it, and pull it back, and measure your rope out, and then do the same with the handle end. Put your knot in the end. I know it's hard to see in here, but if you have to take this thing apart and mess with that spring, you're going to have a fight on your hands. But I went over to the hardware store, and it cost me around $4 for a piece of string with a new handle. And I'm just going to throw this thing on here. I believe these had Loctite on them. The blue stuff like 242, low strength, medium strength, whatever they call it. Got some in a stick. I'll come back and put that on later. I'm just trying to get this done before dark. And it works. I've got to take the electric starter off of here. It's got one you plug a cord into, and the Bendix is hanging up on it. So I just got to take that off and lubricate it, but I'm not going to show you how to do that. Maybe another day. Thanks for watching.